How to find and remove viruses on Android. If you think your Android phone has a virus or malware, this video will show you several ways to check your device and remove suspicious apps. First, open Google Chrome and close any suspicious tabs or pop-ups. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Delete Browsing Data, and choose All Time. Clear your browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached files. Next, open the Files app and check your downloads and APK files. If you find a downloaded file or APK that you don't recognize, delete it. Now, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, and select Play Protect. Tap Scan to check your installed apps for harmful software. If Play Protect detects anything suspicious, follow the recommended steps to remove it. You should also go to Settings, open Apps, and review your installed applications. If you find an app you don't recognize, uninstall it if possible. As a final option, back up your important data and perform a factory data reset. This removes your apps and personal data, so make sure everything important is backed up first. That's how you can check for and remove viruses and malware on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.